Ready for a 30-day body transformation? Join our Ultimate Push-Ups Challenge for fat loss, muscle sculpting, and fitness gains. Get ready to see amazing results. Start your journey today. Benefits of push-ups for fat loss and muscle sculpting. Push-ups are an incredible exercise for both fat loss and muscle sculpting. They target multiple muscle groups, such as your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, helping you to tone and strengthen these areas. Additionally, push-ups engage your stabilizer muscles, improving balance and coordination. This combination of muscle activation leads to increased calorie burn and ultimately, fat loss. So if you're looking to transform your body and achieve your fitness goals, incorporating push-ups into your routine is a must. Get ready to see amazing results with this simple yet effective exercise. The Ultimate 30-Day Push-Up Challenge Plan. Each day, you'll gradually increase the number of push-ups you do, pushing yourself to new limits. By the end of the 30 days, you'll be amazed at how much progress you've made. We've carefully curated this plan to help you see real results in just a month. So grab a water bottle, get your workout gear on, and let's get started on this incredible journey to transform your body. Tips to make the push-up challenge easier or harder. Whether you're a beginner or looking for an extra challenge, to make it easier, start with modified push-ups by keeping your knees on the ground. You can also decrease the number of reps or take short breaks between sets. For those looking to up the intensity, try incline push-ups or diamond push-ups to target different muscle groups. You can also increase the number of reps or add variations like clap push-ups or one-arm push-ups. Remember to listen to your body and adjust accordingly to make the challenge work for you. Precautions to take before starting the challenge. Before diving into the Ultimate 30-Day Push-Up Challenge, it's important to take a few precautions to ensure your safety and maximize your results. It's crucial to listen to your body throughout the challenge and not push yourself beyond your limits, as this can lead to injury. Remember to warm up properly before each workout and stretch afterward to prevent muscle strain. Additionally, make sure to maintain proper form during each push-up to avoid unnecessary stress on your joints. By taking these precautions, you'll be on your way to a successful and transformative 30-day journey. So, whether you're a beginner embarking on this transformative path or someone seeking an advanced challenge, take the necessary precautions, stay consistent, and watch your body evolve. With that said, thanks for watching and see you next time.